Hello, Sophia Harris here from Lau Global Consulting, and I'd like to discuss with you today 3 tips for improving sales. So first of all, what is a sale? Well, a sale is a contract between a buyer and a seller for an exchange of value. Now, if you are having a sales problem, then your consumer does not think what you have to offer is valuable. That is your real problem. So let's delve into this a little bit further. Here are my 3 tips for today, maybe for this month, for improving sales. So the first one was you have a connectivity problem. So you need a strategic digital marketing, digital communication strategy that's tailored to meet your target market's unique needs. So that is extremely important. If you're not communicating in a way that matters to them, that's valuable to them, and where they are, you're going to miss the boat and they will switch. Brand loyalty is becoming a thing of the past. Consumers want different things now, and being thrust into this time of uncertainty during this pandemic, where they've had to be struggling and shuffling to find supplies in goods and services because a lot of their trusted brands were just not sustainable or reliable. That has become a very important factor for them. Consumers also care about your values. So my second tip is to ensure that you're aligned with their values and ensure that your consumers know what you stand for. My third tip for improving sales is to ensure that you understand the modern consumer's new hierarchy of needs. What matters to who you're serving now? What's important to them? Is it security, and new ways of intimacy, information at their fingertips? They don't want to have to call 50 million times to get an answer. They're not used to that anymore. They're used to what companies across the globe are offering them. So if you're not competing at that level, you will be left behind. You have to adjust and ensure that everything is available at your consumer's fingertips, at your partner's fingertips too. So if you're exporting, you have to make sure that you're exporting at global standards and in an efficient manner, utilizing the cloud so that your international buyers can tap into your system from anywhere in the world, can order your products online. E-commerce is essential. The global e-commerce market is thriving and growing year on year. There's no signs of it declining. Online retail is here to stay. Our McKinsey research indicated that 2/3 of the persons who were forced into an accelerated adoption of online retail during the pandemic will continue to do so post-pandemic. And on-site visits to people's businesses in order to conduct their business will be a thing of the past. They won't be reverting to that. If they can conduct business remotely, they will continue that behavior because that preference is here to stay. So I would say for sales problems are a huge sign of not only productivity problems, understanding of your sales team as to what they need to change and do, giving them the tools to thrive in this new way of doing business digitally, but also a failure to understand your target market and how maybe they have shifted. Maybe you need to look at new customers. Maybe your old customers are no longer your customers. We can help you take a good look at the landscape, at your market, your industry, and your business. Contact us anytime. We're at lauglobalconsulting.com. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn. We are here to help you. Reach out to us. Thanks for listening.